Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you are going to be watching a Halloween themed project. We are making a prop for a Halloween photo shoot that we are doing for our 2-month-old daughter. The first step was going to the pumpkin patch and finding a pumpkin. We were unable to find an orange pumpkin that was the right size, so we ended up choosing a white pumpkin instead. Next, we used a marker to trace a circle, and then we used the carving saw to make a hole for our daughter's body. We also used a regular table knife to disconnect the top from the rest of the pumpkin because it was being pretty stubborn. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. Next, we use the scooper to remove all the pumpkin brains. After prepping the pumpkin, we printed out a Halloween themed font and taped it to the pumpkin. The next step was a stunning misadventure. We tried to transfer the font using only a pen because we did not have a charcoal pencil, and this was a fail. The font was transferred, but it was extremely faint. We did not want to continue with this technique, so we used a regular pencil to scribble on the back of the font. This helped the font transfer much better. I will include the link to a proper charcoal transfer technique tutorial video below. Next, we used a hole saw to cut out holes for our daughter's feet. Then we used a garbage bag to line the inside of the pumpkin. We cut out holes so that her legs will be able to go through the bag as well. We used blankets to elevate her so that her legs would be high enough to fit through the holes. Lastly, it's photo shoot time. It required 2 people to place our daughter in the pumpkin. I held her body while Michele guided her feet through the holes. The pictures turned out adorable, and we will be using them for her 2-month photos. We will link the inspiration for this photo shoot prompt in the description. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Take care.